Intro, go.
Hey!
Alright, so we're on the side of the road today. We are doing a photo shoot with these flowers that Casey found.
This is so pretty, I'm so hyped. This looks so good.
Phoebe's psyched, so that's good.
I'm hyped! It's so pretty. Like even on my phone, if I could take my selfies, pretty. I can't even imagine.
Natalie to the rescue.
It's just so pretty today.
Anyways, so we are here on the side of the road to take pictures of Phoebe.
Oh, this is a part of it?
She's gonna be our mom.
I was like,
I mean, it's beautiful right here. So we're on a really tight schedule, so we're gonna try and get these turned around.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real.
Am I looking at him or?
Alright, look.
He's taking pictures of you now. I'm just videoing.
But you don't have to look at me.
Okay, I can
look like, grab a flower and look at it. Majestically.
Okay. Oh God!
Yes, eat the flower.
That's so gross.
Oh, it's not gross.
What does it taste like? So gross. What does it taste like?
What can we do that's cool? I feel like you've already done all the cool things. I'm trying to think.
You could have one of her. You could have one of her throwing petals at the camera or in the air.
Ooh. Can we do that?
Okay. Yeah, do that.
All right. Hang on.
Throw them up that way. The wind's blowing.
All right. Wait, I'll get a hold of my
Yeah.
Ready?
Now, put your hands out with them like you're gonna blow.
Don't blow.
Okay, now blow.
Close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and
But look at Grant.
Guys, on the process of my phone of this happening.
Yeah, that's actually really fun right here. I think like having one right there, like
Phoebe,
right on your.
What are the odds you eat that?
What is that?
I have no idea.
What if you try to tuck this one in, like right here?
It's like a caterpillar. Almost kind of like 2 bees.
That's why I said wow.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, that's nice.
Can you put one lower?
Yeah. Ooh, she's a vibe.
I like it.
Artsy.
You're a vibe, Phoebe.
You are Mother Nature.
Alright, where do you want it?
I think right. I don't want your finger in it, so maybe right there. Yeah. And yeah. Bernard. Yeah, adjust your hair again with your hand, Phoebe.
Alright, look into this, straight into the camera lens. Look at it like it's your lover.
Oh, actually, you know what? Yeah, will you put a flower in her hand?
Jesus.
And point it this way.
Oh, we're so little. I know.
Are my shoes in this? No. Play with the flower in front of your, like, kind of like hold with both hands. Yeah, like that. All right, Phoebe, now do the extend the arm naturally, like how you felt, sorry, back, like when you had it laying down above your head. Yeah. Yeah. Phoebe, you're just so beautiful.
I don't really know what.
Looks like what, Natalie?
It looks like when Rue died in the Hunger Games.
We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way. And so every night I dream it, I'm starting to believe in what you say when I'm asleep and that you
What if we just walked away? Or what if we just hopped in a car?
Who knew, like, I got like a Roman goddess squatting it out like, hey, we found a party! Moment. Look up to the sun, Phoebe. Yeah, oh yes, that's beautiful. Oh, stunning. And put your hand on your knee, both of them. Yeah. Oh, you look beautiful, Pheebs. Look right at me. And now, like, fluff your hair, like, just moving around, like, fun, yeah. Cute.
You're like Ashley.
We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way. And
It's on.
Oh, dope. Okay, that's it. So you've probably seen the photos. Let us know what you thought of all of them. Taking spaces that aren't necessarily like photo shoot spaces, like the side of the road, and kind of creating. So I mean, there's literally like dumpsters and like rocks behind us, but
And trash all around us.
yeah. But hopefully we'll shoot with Phoebe again. Maybe Natalie, but probably not. But
Maybe
we like
Natalie
her.
next time.
But we like having her here. It's nice to have like it chills out, you know, whoever's in front of the picture.
I
Yeah.
want to just fly away. All right, well, thanks for watching. And
That
like and
shows you're
subscribe.
one dude with 3 women. You're so lucky. You're welcome.